It's December 2020. We are supposed to be on an island right now, but you know, COVID. But it's still warm enough to do some hikes in New Jersey. So today we are going to tackle the Giant Stairs hike. In order to do the Giant Stairs, we're going to have to trail hop a few times. So we're starting off on the long path. Here we go. Would it really be a trail if there was no warning sign? Typical. This trail is supposed to be about 4.5 miles. When we get to the Giant Stairs, it's about a 1 mile rock scramble, and it rained yesterday, so this is gonna be a little challenging, but hopefully fun.
Is this the gatekeeper?
You definitely can't see it on the GoPro, but the Tappan Zee Bridge is somewhere out there in the distance. It was pretty foggy this morning, but it looks like the fog is finally starting to lift. We got just a little bit of a drop off.
Just a tad. It sounds a little bit bright.
Just a little bit. 1.1 miles to the Giant Stairs.
I don't know if you saw this, but there's a warning.
Oh no! Another warning sign.
You don't see that warning. Advisory.
Oh, on top of the warning sign we have an advisory. Oh man, it's getting serious.
Ever wonder if she's trying to kill me?
I would just like to say that Gary picked this hike, so as dramatic as he is being right now, he actually selected this one. We're at the top of the waterfall right now. Peanut Leap Waterfall. I think we're about to make our way down to the bottom.
So here we are, arriving at Peanut Leap Falls. Why they call it Peanut Leap, I have no idea. I hope it doesn't involve the tragic story of a peanut tragically jumping to his death, but
This is so cool.
this is pretty cool. And we have had rain recently, so it's going pretty good.
We're at the base of the Hudson River right now and headed to the Giant Stairs. Oh, how nice. They give you a chair to sit down if you're feeling tired.
I don't know if I'm sitting in that chair.
It's a COVID chair. No, thank you. Giant Stairs hike begins in a 1/4 mile. Woohoo! Let's do this.
So here we are at the beginning of what we believe is the Giant Stairs, and just so you know, a difficult 2 hours. Now, I can't see it being 2 hours, but who knows? I'm gonna try not to kill myself as I'm commentating. But this is pretty cool. You're right up against the Hudson River. Also, just so you know, they say you shouldn't do this while it's wet. I don't know if you could tell. It's wet.
So I knew this trail went alongside the Hudson River. I did not know that there was portions of the trail where you're actually going over the Hudson River. We might be swimming in the... Whoa! Oh man, didn't know that rock was gonna go down. I might be swimming in the Hudson River pretty soon, so stay tuned. We left the puppies at home today, and I am very thankful that we did, because this is definitely a pretty crazy rock scramble. I think the dogs may have been swimming in the Hudson.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. Pretty slick, pretty wet, but
we are definitely at the giant stairs now, and we are sliding all over the place. Probably not our best idea to do this the day after it rained, but hey, makes for more adventure, right?
So nature's Stairmaster today. Added degree of difficulty because all the rocks are wet.
I did not think I would be sweating in the middle of December.
Yeah, this is a little treacherous. We are not using the word sketchy today. That's been banned from our vocabulary. But, yeah, treacherous.
Rocks are a little slippery.
Look, murder. It actually says murder on the rock.
That's good.
Yeah. This is what the hell?
It's American Ninja Warrior training.
I am not going to be the next American Ninja Warrior. It really is a rock scramble, but not up, it's across. As you can see, this is pretty crazy. Pretty fun, to be honest with you. It's not your normal hike.
Should have worn hiking boots.
Yeah. The trail runners that we are wearing, they're good, but not great, considering the rocks are wet.
I am sliding all over the place.
Way up there is where we started.
This trail is crazy. I just slid on one of the rocks and almost went head first into the Hudson River.
Even with dry rock?
Yeah, even if these rocks were dry, I feel like this would be a little crazy, but the rocks are so wet, so we were sliding a ton.
So I don't know if you could tell the contrasting colors, but in May of 2012, there was a massive rock slide that came down this way. And this is all the fresh rock slide about 8 years ago. And way up there is where we originally parked. And I believe it's 500 something feet up.
We are...
I knew that was going to happen. I knew as soon as you...
We are still trekking along. We definitely should not have done this trail the day after it rained. And we also definitely should have worn hiking boots.
Yep.
I feel like we're ice skating right now.
Ice skating would probably be less slippery.
We finally made it past the giant stairs. We are 3.2 miles in, but we have to go all the way up there. So we are still not even close to being done. But I think we made it past the trickiest part. We have 0.8 miles to the state line lookout, which is where we started. I'm assuming it's gonna be mostly uphill because we have to go up a lot to get back to the starting point. there's a mangled car on the side of the trail, and we would just like to know how the hell that got here.
Pretty sure you can't park there.
No, definitely not. We just went basically straight uphill. Apparently that was only 0.3 miles.
More stairs.
We still have half a mile to go to get to the state line lookout, but we're getting there. If you like stairs, this is definitely the hike for you. It has stairs, stairs, and more stairs. We made it back to the state line lookout, and this view is not too shabby. We just made it back to the car. It took us about 2.5 hours to do the trail. We're leaving here a little after 11 and it is packed. The parking lot is full. There's cars like lined up alongside the road because there's no more spots. So definitely start this early. It was an awesome trail. We definitely don't suggest doing it after it rains.
Make sure you wear hiking boots.
Make sure you wear hiking boots. But it was awesome, a lot of fun, a lot of rock scrambling, and the views were fantastic. We will see you guys on the next adventure.